girl Joe, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be recording a prom makeup look for you guys. This is the finished product. Just a nude lip, well, nude for me, and just a nice shimmery and like pink eye, very romantic, very nice. So if you want to do this look for your prom or any other school dance occasion that you may have, continue on watching. So I already primed my face, my eyelids, my eyebrows, and the tape is here to make sure that my eyeshadow is nice and clean. I'll be taking my Maybelline The Nudes palette and using this color as a transition color. Next, I'll be going in with this darker shade, and we're just gonna really apply it like in the crease and concentrate it there. Next, we'll be taking this black right here, and this we're gonna like just concentrate it in like a small area of our crease, closer to the eyelid. Now I'll be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Almond and this flat makeup brush and just putting it on my eyelids to create that cut crease. Now I'll be using my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'll be using the color Scorch as my lid shade. And now I'll get the blending side of my Urban Decay brush and get Scorched again and just blend it back out. Next, I'll be taking my Black Radiant Sexy and Bold eyeliner, and I will be just using the sexy part of it. Okay, now I'll be taking off the tape. Now I'll be getting my Sephora foundation. Now I'll be getting this old Black Radiance Cream Concealer. Now I'll be getting my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa to do a little bit of contouring. Using my oval brush. Now I'll be getting some blush. This is Sephora Cream Blush. It's in Flashy Fuchsia. Now I'll be getting my blush brush. Now I'll be using my Academy of Color palette, my Strobe and Glow one, as for my highlighter. It'll be specifically the pink glow one to kind of match the look I'm going for, like that nice glowy romantic look. Now I'll be taking my Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder and my Chocolate Finish and just lightly getting a little bit and just dabbing it all over my face. I'm gonna get my mascara because I forgot to put it on earlier. I would do lashes, but I don't know how to yet. So yeah. Now I'll be just taking a napkin and dabbing my face for any excess powders or oils. Now I'll be taking this Academy of Color matte liquid lipstick. Now I'll just be getting my Wet n Wild Focus Finishing setting spray and just spray that on myself. guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want more prom makeup looks or makeup looks for any like other occasions, let me know in the comments down below. This is technically my first official makeup like video tutorial, and I'm actually very happy about it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with all your friends. Until next time, bye.
Cat, let us stand, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm Luke Sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every